Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in one washing machine for the repair. It is brand wise LG brand. This is a 6 kg wash and 3 kg dryer. The model wise F1280 QDP2. This brand is actually it's really very good brand, but this machine having problem. It's not working at all. While we are giving power, we are not able to switch in on or any other things we cannot do because this is totally dead. Because of that we collected to the workshop. Now we have to repair this machine and we will check what is the problem. After that only we can recognize we have to troubleshoot the problem. After that we will go for the repair. We have to check this one. Two power control box are there. This is display PCB. Here downside having main control board, main PCB. Now first of all we have to check the main control board. After that we can decide if it is main control board. It's okay having problem with the display. Because of that, first of all we have to remove the main control board and we will check. Here and here one screw. Here screw, and after removing this one we can take it out here like that. And this is the control board. Here screws, 3 screws we have to remove here. Have to push forward here, the lock. You can check here lock. These 2 locks we have to push and we have to turn like that. After that only we can take it out. Take it out like that. Here one screw, we have to remove the screw. Remove the PCB control cover. And also this side also. Now you can see the problem. This is already shorted here. Also for the safety, fuse also gone already here. That's mean problem with the main control board. But before repairing we have to check because of what is the reason, because of what this type of damage. Because of that we have to check the door switch, DD motor and drain motor, everything. After that we can, after repairing, or now we have to repair, otherwise we have to replace the main control board. Here already is burned, otherwise shorted here. Also main fuse, here fuse also got damage. You can see here this 2 area we can find out already burned or something damaged, and because of that we have to replace the PCB, otherwise we have to repair the PCB. And after that we have to check what is the reason why it came like that. Maybe drain motor shorted, otherwise door switch shorted. Anyway, now we will repair the PCB. We will try to, first of all we have to remove the harness from the control board. This is for the display. Now I already disconnect harness from the control board. Now you can see the problem here. This one already shorted. Also main fuse also gone. Now we have to repair, otherwise we have to replace. And we will try to repair, otherwise we have to, anyway definitely we have to change the PCB, but this PCB is very expensive. Because of that we try to repair this one. Now we are going to repair this main control board. This is this IC main controller switching IC. This one already gone. This chopper is making DC power to the any other area. This one already gone. Now we have to replace this one and we will check. Also we have to repair this main fuse also. First we have to remove the IC. After that we will try. Now I already cut back of the PCB. This one I already removed, and we will remove the IC and we will replace as same. After that we can check it is whether working or not. This is the part number for main control board, EBR 64974342. This is the part number control board. But anyway, now we remove the switching IC. That one already got burned. Also main fuse. Now we have to repair, we have to replace. After that we will check. Now you can see we already replaced the switching IC. It is as same number, TOP 246N, and we will check with the machine now. We have to give all the harness connections and we will check. Now I'm going to fix the harness to the main control board. Connection to the main control board, and we will check with the power now. Now I already given power. Yes, machine already we can switch in on, and we have to check. I will go for the quick test, Q test, and after that we can identify all the devices are working or not. Now I'm going to test with the Q test, and as a technician I think you know how to test Q test, and power and option and spin, all three together we have to press, and it will come like that display. All the lights are blinking. Now already door also got locked, and now we can check. Now our job already completed. The motor, DD motor is working, and we can drain motor also working. Now again I will press one. It's increase RPM until 1002. It is already coming 1100, 1200. It is maximum RPM. Dustbin is showing 1200, 120 mean 1200 maximum RPM. Now I will press again. Now I can check the here inlet valve. Yes, Inlet valve is working. Also left and right we have to check. Yes, other one also working. No any issue. Now this is wash option. Drain motor working now. It is showing frequency 1255. Now it will go for the dry option. Now you can hear the noise. Blower already got start. You can hear the noise. Also it's warming, it's getting heat. Our job already completed, my dear. We can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.